Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new hair company that I'm working with, Niawigs, I believe that's how you say it. And that was the packaging. We're doing some tape-in extensions today, and this is just all the stuff that comes in the packaging. I have all the links listed below. It's like clips, flexi rods. It's 3 bundles of Kinky straight hair. I think it's 16, 18, and 20 if I'm not mistaken. I have the correct links in the description box. But here I'm just going to start separating the hair out. If y'all seen my video where I do the sew-in that you can pull the hair up in a ponytail, I'm going to part the perimeter of the hair out similar to that so that you have enough hair to cover the tape-ins. These particular tape-ins, they have kind of like a black shiny looking tape on the outside of them. So yeah, okay y'all, in this little clip I'm just showing y'all a little glimpse of my tummy tuck results. I got a video, I'm just trying to get it up, but anyway, here it goes y'all. Okay y'all, so I'm just getting some rubber bands, and what I'm gonna do is I section area out all the way around, completely around the perimeter of the hair, and then I'm just gonna rubber band it to keep it. You can braid it down if you want to. You can clip it down also. You just want to get the hair out of the way, so you can just whatever is easiest for you to keep the hair pulled back and out of the way of the tape-in install. So y'all can see I just did like a area around the perimeter of the hair, just so we have enough hair to cover the tape-ins. And these tape-ins, they have like a black shiny kind of backing on them, so you want to make sure you leave enough hair out to cover that. And so that's how it looks when you when I section everything out. They had these 2 little Velcro things. You can use those also to help keep the hair out of the way. And so here I'm just going to part out a little section, and then I'm going to take a little tiny thin section, and I'm going to use that little section right there that I'm parting out, and I'm going to use those little Velcro things, and I'm going to just see that little small section right there I'm using, and that's the tape in. And I'm just going to put one under the bottom side of that hair that I sectioned out, and I'm going to put one on top. Now, I'm not a professional at this because I've only done it maybe about 5 to 6 times, but I can get them done pretty good, and I can show y'all. And then I'm just taking a flat iron on some very low heat and just kind of pressing it to help that glue that or whatever the adhesive that they use for the tape-ins, to help it just go ahead and stick together on both sides. So, and y'all, this is easy to take out. You can just use regular like rubbing alcohol. I would get like a 90% spread on each one, and then let it sit about 5 minutes, and you can just slide these things out without any damage to your hair. Now, Kobe got some damage back there. It's because she's not taking care of her hair. It doesn't have anything to do with these tape-ins. And y'all know everybody is trying to get away from that like the lace, but you know the lace, all the lace, they got a chokehold, got us in a chokehold, so it's hard. But these are a good option. It doesn't take a whole lot of hours to do this style, and so this is a good option if you're trying to just wear extensions in your hair, but not like the lace. The lace is high maintenance. It costs a lot to keep all that up and all that. So yeah. And here I'm going again with the flat iron. I'm just kind of pressing it just to make sure that the adhesive sticks together on both sides. They have a little clip that you can order from Amazon. They probably have some at the beauty supply, but I don't have one of those, so I'm just gonna do it the best way I can at this point. And y'all, I realized I was using too big of sections of the hair, of her own hair, to apply the extensions to. So y'all will see once I get to the top that the little partings of hair is going to be much thinner than the ones that I'm using right there. But that will, the way I did it back here, it will be easier for them to come out when you're ready to remove them because they're not stuck to like such a thin piece of hair. But anyway, I'm just applying the one strip to the back, one strip to the top, and then going in with this flat on very low heat. And y'all can see how it looks. I'm gonna start putting more tape ends once I get towards the middle. On those two sections that I just did 3, and then I think there's 4 on there. So you can just kind of do them all the way across. If you want to, you can use you can leave a section, like if you want to part down the middle, so you can you know, not put anything down the middle. You want to probably put the tape ends to each side of the head and leave just a little bit. Maybe they want to wear 2 braids down with a part down the middle or something like that. But if you don't have to do all that, if you just want to be able to wear it up in a ponytail, wear it half up, half down, style it however you want to, just put the tape ends. Why do I keep saying clip? Put the tape ends right next to each other with a little tiny thin sliver of hair, and one on bottom, one on top, and then use something to press them to make the adhesive stick together, and boom, you got a tape ends. And it's super easy to do. You can get somebody to help you if they know how to part hair. That's how simple it is. Like, it doesn't take a whole lot of Now you can go and get these done. It's probably going to be much pricier, but if you got somebody at home, you can get them to help you do this. It's super simple, or y'all can book me and I can do them. Either way. But yeah, I'm just applying the tape ends, one on bottom, one on top, and they have different ways on here to apply the tape in. Some say don't put it really close to the edge, some say put it close to the edge. I personally don't see an issue with putting them really close to the hairline, because who wants that tape in being shown like an inch away from the hairline? That's how you'll start being able to see what's going on inside. Y'all, excuse this smoke detector I got going on in the background. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but it's bothering me. But yeah, anyway, I'm just putting one tape in under the bottom, one tape in under the top, and I'm going to continue to do that throughout the head. I'm just going to change the partings just a little bit at the top, and then I'll show y'all once I get towards the top. See, this hair is like super full and luxurious. It's just like blow dried or relaxed African American hair, like black hair. So if you're looking for some good thick hair that matches a lot of like black girls texture hair, that kinky straight hair, it really works. I have a U-part wig from another company with that kinky texture, and I straighten it out just like I would my own hair, and it blends in so well. It doesn't have that like super silky texture. Like some of us have like super silky texture hair, but most of us, we have that like coarse like texture hair. And this type of hair, this kinky straight hair, like it blends in so well with our type of hair, y'all. And so I'm moving towards more like the middle top part of her head. And I will say I should have did the install just a little bit different. Instead of going side to side, I should have did like a U shape install or like a C shape install. It'll give a much better coverage. So if you are looking at this video and you're thinking about doing it, you can also lay the tape ends along the like the partings of the hair that we left out to cover the actual and then that will allow you to be able to pull the hair in a ponytail and conceal it easily without a whole lot of issue. And y'all see how thin the hair is that I'm using right there. You really don't want to use a lot of their natural hair. For the tape in, you want to use like a really thin really thin section of I don't even know how to give a measurement. Just use a really thin section of hair, and it's not gonna pull the hair out. It's not gonna be too much attention on the hair. And once you get ready to take them down, just use rubbing alcohol, and they'll come out easily like that. Also, you can shampoo these tape ends. You just shampoo them regular, and then shampoo them regular, and then sit them under a blow dryer or air dry, and style as usual. You may have to maintenance a few of them, but I mean, just style as usual. And y'all see, I'm starting to curve around to the front. I should have curved along the parting. If y'all understand what I'm saying, I don't know if y'all understand what I'm saying, but I should have did it like a C shape or U shape install, and that'll give you better coverage. Probably when we install the next one, I'll show y'all how to do it that way. But either way, you can do it like this. This is simpler, and you can still conceal the tape ends this way also. Still put the hair up in a ponytail, still style it regularly, all of that. So if you just want to do it this way, it's much simpler anyway. But yeah, I'm just and then before you actually like get the tape in actually taped on and stuck to the next one, if you mess it up or put it in wrong, you can pull it off really quick before the adhesive starts sticking to the next one. So yeah, that's how it's looking, y'all. Look how good that looks. That looks super good. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to install, and for some reason I don't know how I had the video where I'm just showing this little side where I'm just installing on this little side, and then her hair starts getting a lot thinner. Her hair is super thick in the back, and then the density of her hair is a lot thinner in the top. So she's not missing any hair or nothing, but the hair is just much finer in the top. And so you want to really be careful about your placements of the tape ends there. And so I finished that side. I gotta go over and do the other side. And you want to leave enough room where you can conceal the tape ends, because even though these are tape ends, you can still be able to see them if there's not enough coverage or hair to cover it. But y'all see, you can pull this stuff up in a ponytail and get you a little messy bun. You can do all of that, child. Y'all, again, I'll have those links listed to the hair in the description box. and all of the company's information, the website, the dimensions or whatever of this hair. I'm just trying to straighten out her back really quick. She has some little breakage back here, and we'll probably address that later. I'm just using some little heat protectant that I got from Walmart, I believe, because I don't have nothing at home to do hair. And as y'all can see, I'm at home doing her hair. And I'm just taking these rubber bands off. And if y'all refer back to my video where I did that ponytail, sew-in that you can pull up in a ponytail, the edges and the area that's gonna cover the tape-ins, the parting is exactly like that sew-in that I did. So if you didn't get to see really good how I parted the hair out to hide the tape-ins, it's that same exact parting method for the leave out. So, and I'm just running these flat irons. These are some iron flat irons from Sally's. I think they're supposed to mimic like the Babblers. They don't, but they really good, just regular flat irons though. But and then I burnt my damn finger while I was I accidentally put it on spiral. I thought I had a little clip of that on here, but anyway, yeah, I touched that little spiral part and it burnt the hell out of my ass. But yeah. And so I'm just doing her edges, y'all. We did not finish the hairstyle this day. She was just so happy to have the damn hair in, and then I think she had to go to work, so we did not get to style it. But I am going to put a few pictures of the hair after it's styled. At the end, it's going to be a different day, so. But yeah, y'all, you can just pull this hair up in a ponytail. You can do whatever you need to do with it. This looks like her own natural hair that's been blow dried out. If y'all not into the tape-ins, I'm serious, leave that damn lace alone. It is taking our hair out. It's for occasions only, not everyday use. And a lot of y'all men don't want to see y'all with that damn lace on all the time. It's good for an occasion every now and then, but not every day. Ain't nobody got time to be dealing with the maintenance. And look how much natural and prettier this looks. And we haven't even styled it. We did nothing to it. And this looked like her own natural hair. Nobody can tell her that, like, this ain't her own natural hair. So, but anyway, I'm just parting it, putting a little middle part down the middle. Y'all know I am middle part deficient. I cannot part a middle part to save my life. It always be off-centered, but that's okay. So anyway, yeah, we just combing it out. The hair is like super soft. It's super thick. We only used about two and maybe a quarter of the third bundle. And y'all look how thick that hair is. Now, if you want it thicker, you can definitely make it thicker. Definitely make it thicker. But y'all, again, y'all, I'll leave the links to this hair in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, help a sister out, and leave a heart in the comments, whichever color you like, to let me know that you support my page. And I'll be back with more content. Bye, y'all.